It's time for another unboxing. Are you excited? I'm so excited, and the aliens are headed this way. I'm the guitar hustler. Hello and welcome to another unboxing episode of the Guitar Hustler. Today we are unboxing a Fender made in Mexico Players Series Telecaster that costs $850 brand new. Crazy. 5 years ago, you could pick up an American-made one for that. But anyway, we're going to do a deep dive into it, try to figure out why it costs that much. We'll also do a review and a demo. But first, let's unbox this beast. Here we go. Oh, stuff right back here. Okay. So if we got the Fender Deluxe gig bag that went with it. Now there she is. Still has plastic on the neck plate. Okay, this is another demo model that I got, so I can get it at a discount. But anyway, yeah, this thing's brand new, unplayed, very nice. Yeah, very good shape. So here we go. First off, it's got some really nice electronics, some CTS pots, the nicer, higher end switch, three-way switch. Very nice, of course, shielding paint on the inside cavity, so very good, very nice job done on that. Looks like the hardware is the very nice thicker hardware. The Alnico 5 pickups, that's a good upgrade also. That's something you'd see in the American-made one. The finish, of course, is a polyester on the body, which is very, very nicely done. Very nice color. Tide Pool Blue, I think is what they call this. Gloss on the headstock and on the fretboard, as you can see. Frets are very nice, no sharp ends. Very, very nicely finished. The ends look like they've been machined pretty well. Frets are very smooth. Flip it over on the back and you see it has a satin finish on the back of the neck. Gloss on the front. Of course, very nicely done. Very nice workmanship on this. Very nice paint job. You know, for something that was $350 brand new 7-8 years ago, they've upgraded it a lot. You know, it does have nice electronics in it. It's got the nicer tuners on it, doesn't have the cheapies. Other than that, I'm still trying to add up why the $850. I'll do a little demo on it and just get a good feel of it and see where we're at from there. Neck pickup. Bridge pickup. Real quick, just the middle, just kind of get. Pickup. Middle. Added a little bit of a distortion pedal to it, and actually it sounds pretty good. The actual bridge pickup is pretty hot on this, so you could rock with it if you wanted to. The Alnico 5s are pretty strong. Final assessment, I would say that this is a very well-made instrument, really very good hardware, very good electronics, some of the higher end sounding and feeling, great feel of the neck. Body I think is alder. I mean, it's a little heavy, it's not too bad, but it's a good player, professional grade, I would say. It's better than the classic Vibe series, you know, the import Squire stuff, which is actually pretty good also. Can't say much bad about that. Frets set up, dressings, it came in very well set up, ready to go. Good sound, pickups sound great. The Alnico 5s are really good sound. This sound, you know, where it's got a good warm tone to it on the neck and the bridge. It's a little hot. It's not overly hot, but it sounds like it's supposed to. It sounds like a, you know, expensive higher end Telecaster, even though it's $850 and it's made in Mexico. That's but still, the American made ones went up to $1,400, some along the same, you know, quality. So I guess it's kind of relative. Anyway, this is a good, I wouldn't say, try to buy one used. I'll just be honest with you. Try to pick one up for $600, eBay or Reverb. They're out there used, maybe a little wear on them, maybe a couple dings. Speaking of dings, but try to pick one up used if you really like them. 850 is just, man. If you, it's like a car. When you drive it off the lot, it's going to lose about 25%. I would say trying to sell one of these used, because I see them used for $600. Uh, New, they are 850 still. I don't know if they're going up. Everything seems to be going up. As far as an investment, like I said, buy the best one you can find used, around 600, maybe 550. Saw one for 550 if you want to pick it up, and it looked brand new. As far as solds go, 650 with a hard case I've seen. So the 850, save yourself a couple $100. At $600, it would be a good investment. I think they're going to probably go up in value. The quality's there on these. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment. Let's see, share it. Anyway, y'all have a good one.